The view on this side looks much better with all the light coming from that side in the afternoon. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today me and my kids gonna walk over the levee under the Causeway Bridge to take a look. As I come down here, the only spot you can park is right on the left here on the side of the road. Otherwise, all around here are private property. There is toll sign posts around. You can park next to the pole right here as well. Alright guys, me and my girl today gonna go scouting at the Causeway area, see how it looks. Gonna walk up to this trail here, probably toward the other side. Here's another look up where you can park aside the road here. But that building over there, there's a lot of parking spot, but it's private property. You can get towed. We are up here by the Causeway Bridge in the back here. We can walk down this way. We're not doing any fishing by the bar on that side. View of the lake. So we're gonna walk down, explore around this area. As we're walking out here, the dirt down here is really wet. Dirt is so soft here, so it's been pretty dry, no raining for probably 2 weeks since the Hurricane Francis, and the dirt is really soft. Let's see.
I don't know if it's recording.
We're down here. You can see a fish just jump out of the water here. Continue walking down the trail here. The soil is really soft on this side. If it raining, it's gonna be pretty messy. You might need your boot. As we come closer to the end here, it's getting much wetter. I think this area was flooded during the Hurricane Francis 2 weeks ago, and it's still wet down here, although we hasn't had a drop of rain since the storm came by. It is nice to have both of my girls come out here to enjoy the view that I see every time I go fishing. Gonna walk through on the rock here because it's a little bit muddy on the left, and the soil is really soft. No, hold on to daddy. Hold on to that. Oh, I just see a fish jump. All right, we're getting close to under the bridge. Walk through this rock is really wet right here. What are you doing? No, stay right there. Why you? Alright, continue on. We're pretty close to the bridge. Walk through these rocks here.
Yeah. We're gonna try walk through this area right here and come up the other way. Stay right here, Haley. Stay still, okay? Alright, so we're under the bridge right now. There's some graffiti on that side of the bridge. Get up, we're gonna continue walking. I see some minnow down here. I don't see any crab. But look at this view. A lot of seashell here. You see any fish? Ooh, a lot of shell. You want to pick up the shell? Oh, careful. There's a lot of shell right here that piling up. Find some shell here. There's a lot of car sound passing through the bridge. I guess fish might like that sound, and it might be a good spot to fish here. So I'm just scouting today and see how this spot look, and try to fish this spot.
If you are familiar with this fishing spot, let me know which spot I should fish at.
Look up here, there's a bunch of shell right here piling up if you want to collect shells. Just bring some bag up here and collect shells. The bridge where all the shell pile up, and over here you can see some graffiti. Alright, let's go, Lily. There's a bunch of shell down here, a lot of shell. So if you're gonna do something project with shells, you can come here and get a lot of shells. The view on this side looks much better with all the light coming from that side in the afternoon. I think fishing on this side in the afternoon probably good. This side. Picking up some nice shell here. Now we're gonna walk back toward this side, to the left where we park on the other side of the levee. Look like the soil on this side is more solid than the other side, more soft. So if you're coming out, come out this side, and more gravel walkway down here.
This is my recommended route to get to this fishing spot. We made it back to the top of the levee. That's it for today, guys. Please like, subscribe, and drop me a comment. Bye bye.
Look at this nice building in the background.